Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your buddy Pete, and on today's wonderful video full of contrition and disappointment, let's talk about the 2025 Goldwing. Now, I said I did a short and I was really disappointed. My feelings really haven't changed, but I'm going to kind of go into why I'm disappointed with it. You know, my wing, it's a 2018. It is got 29,758 miles currently. I do got to get the recall done on the bolt that could make the engine go kablooey, which hopefully doesn't happen while I'm riding, because I heard when it goes kablooey when you're riding, it could be very bad. Anyway, so I was like, I always sit there and I think to myself, like, why wouldn't it be nice to get a, what was it going to take for me to, like, say, trade the 2018 in and get a 2025? Like, what innovations were going to be necessary for me to do that? Let's talk about that. And that's kind of where the disappointment is the lack of innovation or newness, especially in your flagship motorcycle on its 50th anniversary. Could you imagine? Like when Harley comes out, like the 120s, every 5 years when they do like their big one, they do something really special with it. It's paint or motor, the CVO line is just, they do something that makes it kind of unique and special to that line, and they only produce so many of them, which is smart, by the way. So, what are the things that I was kind of looking for when it comes to the 2025 Goldwing? And I really wasn't looking for a lot. The only thing I was thinking is, is maybe they do something with the side bags, make them a little bigger, whether that's through making the doors bigger, which, I think it's Ultimate Seats, or is it Ultimate? I don't know. Ultimate Seats. Somebody made the bags bigger by they made a new door. They made them like that much bigger, And I'm really probably going to order those because that's actually the smartest way for me to do anything. So I was looking for at least some styling changes, in that regard. The other big thing I was kind of looking forward to, whatever, was the dash. Look at that dash. It's so old. When you're like my buddy Bob Bodine 52, as you guys know him. I know his Bob. I also know his nickname, but I won't tell you that. Anywho, he's got the 2024 Road Glide, the white pearl one. Beautiful bike. But I tell you, man, that dashboard that Harley put in, that digital dash, that thing is amazing. I would have loved to seen Honda do something like that. Like, just get rid of all this. Make it 100% digital dash. I don't care how you do it, but do it. That would have been something to, like, bring the bike forward. I mean, they did add, wireless, CarPlay or Google Play, whatever you got. What would you do? I have a $30 thingy bob I plug in there, and guess what? Mine's wireless too. Not very innovative. So that was my disappointment. But the other thing I was really surprised with, not being on this motorcycle, for the 50th anniversary, was the oh my lord, was the adaptive cruise control. Now, granted, I don't want it because I hate it in my wife's car to a point. She has it, but when you're on long highway rides, it does help with maintaining distance and stuff like, and fatigue. That doesn't mean you have to be less vigilant when you're riding, because you're on a motorcycle, so you should be pretty vigilant, I would guess. But anywho, I was expecting that. Those are the things I was expecting. 3 minor things that could have really made the Goldwing's 50th anniversary different from the 2024 and below. Besides, they give you some goofy paint, and they give you the family truckster of the Goldwing. Who wants that? Honestly, would you want that? Do you like two-tone bikes? I mean, my generation, Gen X, we like things clean, tight. But that's just the crowd of that. People aren't going for that anymore. That crowd, that two-tone paint. I mean, and I did see some positive things. Oh man, I love it online. I'm like, They're mostly older guys, you know. But, so, I will be keeping the old 2018 Goldwing because, you know, it's works, it's paid for, and they haven't done anything to make me want to get another one. What are your thoughts? You know, about the 10 people that'll probably watch this video, but what are your thoughts on it? Honestly, comment below. I'd love to know. Am I off base? Am I crazy? Did Honda drop the ball? I mean, honestly, I think all of them dropped the ball lately. Not just Honda, but Harley, Indian, all of them. They just kind of, innovation is just like, oh, we'll put some new paint on it and maybe we'll tweak the motor a bit. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. As always, have fun out there. Be safe. Be kind. Just kidding. Be a jerk. Self-interest. No, I'm just joking. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.